Hey guys, I'm back with a tutorial and an editorial one at that. Okay, fucking good one. Let's get into it. Doing a quick messy brow hair or somebody points it out, delete them from your life because it doesn't matter. It's a fun look. I'm using Star Crush Minerals Veil Attraction in a fluffy brush, and I'm keeping it focused on the inner third. And I'm just blending in a circular motion and blending outward while keeping it focused in that area. Just concealing, and now I'm going to do the same exact thing I did on the inner third on the outer corner. Damn, she looked dead. I love it. And here I'm just using my Real Technique sponge to blend out the harsh edges. Now for the fun part, I'm taking my blue face paint from Wolfe and I'm just going in with this flat brush and just having a great old time. You don't have to be neat. It's an editorial look. I placed my strokes in the way that one would contour their face, so I put it around my cheekbones, I put it around my brow bone, I run it down my nose, and then some. Now I'm taking the red from the same palette with the same brush, and I'm just placing it over that blue very organically, if you will. I'm going to place it under my eyes. You're going to see. I think it's great for photo shoots. I think it's great for fashion shows, for church, for Walmart, for Target, for funsies. Now I'm just making circles. I make most of the circles over where lines are meeting or wherever. And I'm using a white from that Essentials palette with a cheap little brush. I had to wipe away a little of the face paint here because it was blending in with the blue and the red, but it's okay. I just went back over it. Nobody's gonna notice. There is too much going on in this look for someone to point this out. If they point that mess out, remove them from your life immediately. I tuned in again just to let you guys know that I'm about to sneeze. So yeah. Now I'm taking my eye code liquid liner and I'm adding some liner, of course. And guess what? My liner dried out again. But I'm going to be going back in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Color and Jet, and I'm just going to fill in those sparse areas. I added liner because it's such a careless and fun look, and I felt like it would add some order to it. Or I just wanted fucking liner. Anastasia liner. I'm gonna make dots again porque me pegó la gana. To my lips because I didn't know what else to do. This can be a little messy on the lip part because I'm going to go over it with a liquid lipstick. I'm going to use Hudson by Anastasia Beverly Hills. They sent this insane PR package. I'm in love with it. Now I'm just going to add fake freckles with my brow powder duo. Any eyeshadow works for this. And tapping over them with your finger I feel is the best way to get them the most natural looking. If you were bullied for freckles and this offends you, well guess what? I was too. And now you can watch me add even more freckles. Now I'm just adding some lashes from the Makeup Shack. I put them in upside down. I'm garbage. Watch this. Watch me fuck up. There she go. I'm doing this off camera. Ah yes, perfect symmetry. That was for you, Miriam. And now I'm just finishing up with my favorite mascara from Essence Cosmetics. And that is the look, fella. Just a little something for Sunday brunch. But thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you guys recreate this one. I'm about to hit y'all with these poses and call it a night. But if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Bye, y'all.